everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with my next design team package for Country Craft Creations. I needed to share this with you because it's super cute. First, I'll just go through the trim. This is seam binding, and I got this nice brown. It matches the brown in the collection, of course. These cute puppy paws, and it's like an organza ribbon, kind of, if that's a thing. I don't know. This gray, that there's a lot of grays in the collection, and it's a neutral, so it's going to pull in well. And this nice almost like a periwinkle or cauliflower. I remember the crayon cauliflower. So I really like that. It matches, of course. And today's paper selection is going to be the 12 by 12 collection of Echo Park, A Dog's Tale. So this is super cute. Insert pictures of my dogs now. And let's go through and show these cut aparts. So on the back of the cut apart page, you have this zigzag, and then the 3x4 cut aparts. There's 9 3x4s on a page, and they're just super cute. I get like a French vibe from this, from some of it. And there's the Eiffel Tower, and the guy holding the umbrella for the dog. So super cute. And then we have the 4x4s, and nice pattern on the back. Cute poodle down here. Home is where the dog runs to greet you. We got like a Sherlock hat on him, which is cute. And I'm not sure, I don't know what the color palette. It's like the reds and yellows and blues, like vintagey, like, I don't know, I'm getting like the, is it 70s or 50s vibes. So again, a nice pattern on the back, and then the words, so that'll be fun. And then just all these different dogs. Dog biscuits, and then a very busy pattern, dogs and paws and fire hydrants, a repeating pattern. This one's cute. It's got all the different dogs on it, but they're a little further spaced apart. And this nice plaid on the back. Cute. They've got pugs and huskies, Dalmatians, bulldogs, dachshunds. Cute. I think they've got it all covered. They don't have my dog on here, but we have 2 Great Pyrenees, but it's okay. This is this would be nice for a journaling page. And I love these buildings. It says doghouse, but they're huge. And each one, like this one has a little green sweater, this one, and it matches the door. This one has a little blue collar or scarf. Cute. And we have the yellow check. And there's a bigger picture of all the different dogs. And then a blue dot. There's lots of potential for this paper because there is some busy patterns, but for the most part the back sides are all really nice, you know, subtle patterns. So with all the dogs on this, you layer one of these on top of one of those, and you got a really nice combo. Nice blue stripe, and then all the grooming implements there. That'd be nice for a grooming page, like your dog just got done grooming or going to grooming. And then there's the border page, border strips, cute. And it looks like there's a paw print on the back, different colored paw prints. And then it comes with solids, nice. So we got a green and a yellow, very nice, that match. A blue and a brown. A red and a different blue, not the darker blue, but the lighter blue. And then the sticker sheet's a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I'm so happy to have the sticker sheet. I love adding these elements to pages. Super cute, just images. A lot of them are from the paper collection. Very cute. Okay, more paper. Oh, we got 4 by 6 cut aparts. How cute are those? I like her. I like her a lot. And this guy down here in the car. A dog's best friend is his human. Cute. I really like that. It's got the plaid on the back that matches this. Okay, and then we got some Authentique Spectrum paper. Of course, I think they have paper that matches every line. And this is that nice brown. And it's got like a swirl on the back. Sandy Beach 1. That's the paper. Sandy Beach. This one is Crocodile Smile 1. It's the olive greenish color with checks on the back, lines on the front. This is Silver Dollar 2, so it's a gray tone. And there's the polka dots, or dots, and then this kind of elegant pattern here. Cute. And then a nice sturdy piece of 12 by 12 chipboard. And of course, all this is available on countrycraftcreations.com, and I will link all these products in the description below. And stay tuned for what I'm going to make with this. Grab some product. Super cute collection, you guys. Alright, you guys, well, I thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the cool stuff that we're going to do with this Echo Park A Dog's Tale paper line and the goodies. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.